Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I am over on Nana. Come check this adorable little cabin out. Okay, so here we are, 1005 Nana over in Big Bear City, listed by Joel David, Remax. Gonna be looking at, let me try and fix this angle really quick. Gonna be looking at this adorable 2-bed, 1-bath Maltby style cabin in the Peter Pan neighborhood of Big Bear City. Up here at these little kind of like hills, mountain over here, you've all got all national forests. So you're within walking distance to that. You're probably about 5 minutes to the lake. No, probably about 3 minutes to the lake, 5 minutes to Von Stater Brothers, grocery stores, and probably about 6-7 minutes, 6-7 to the ski slopes, and about 8 to the village. So coming in, we've got nice paved parking, and it is fully fenced. We do have what appears to be grass underneath some of these pine needles in some areas. So at one point, somebody did love on that. Looks like the neighbor might have a water heater leak in there. I'll probably call Cool Cabins and let them know. It's dripping from up above. So here, it looks like the decks have been just recently painted. Exterior is in wonderful shape, and the roof is actually fairly newish. I would imagine maybe in the last 5 years or so. So you do have a ramp to get up. This will go into the kitchen area. This will go into the laundry bathroom, but we're gonna go in through the main part first. Just kind of want to show you the outside. We do have, one thing to note, shake shingle underneath the comp roof. Not sure how much that matters, but just pointing it out. And kind of got like a A-frame peak coming in. And it's surprisingly nice and cozy in here. Very warm. I love the little handle that they have. This is called Nana's Cottage Retreat with Big Bear Cool Cabins. It does have a ring alarm system to it. Got some beautiful siding all the way around. Really nicely done, and all the way up top too. Here is a little map. This is what they make you do for the short-term rental part of it. And this is just like the owner sketched this out kind of thing. So this is an occupancy for 6 people, and theirs just got renewed maybe 2 months ago. So coming in, we've got these nice 6 tiles, probably about 18 inches or so, 18 by 18. And then we've also got my favorite floors, favorite. These are beautiful. They clean up really nicely. You can pretty much like buff them out. Like this needs to be buffed out a little bit, probably just from this couch moving around and being a rental property. But it also just has character, you know. This is another nice feature that they have, is all these lights kind of built into little wood pieces. Over here, we do have the gas key in the floor right there. Another little light fixture. And then one of my favorite fireplaces, like, look at this. Look at all of this work. And you can like put things here. but it's beautiful. This is actually a stone fireplace. Most of the fireplaces that you see are just a fake stone. If I lived here, this would be where I would keep change and my car keys. This is probably just like a little electric heater to plug in and get a little bit more heat to it. I would probably mount that up. This is not going to fit in that space. Maybe just try and find a little different piece of furniture. But it works. It works really well. I don't know. Point out that we do have dual pane windows here. Good blinds. So this way is going to go to the bedroom, bathroom. And then we have another bedroom, bathroom, and the kitchen going this direction. So we're going to go this way first. So here, I don't know what kind of flooring this is, because at one point it looks like it was screwed or nailed in. So it's almost like a vinyl tile. It's got this nice hallway, wood paneling up, probably about like 8-foot ceilings. Off to the right, we have bathroom number 1, same flooring. This is going to be same flooring. And then we're coming in. This is a bit big for right there to walk into. I'd almost just forego that door, move this over if you can, just so that you're not walking right into it. This window is going to be an older, more original window right here. Gonna get probably a little drafty and breezy in here. Toilet and the sink and our shower is just kind of a plastic shower. It's currently being used as a vacation rental property. So as far as what it has and what it offers, it's everything that is pretty decent for rental. We do have a stop and waste inside, so you turn your water on and off from the inside, and then a little crawl space hatch in the laundry room to get underneath. Love these 3-panel doors. And then we'll go into the kitchen and the dining room area. I want to try and find the heating unit. Oh, it looks like it's from the ground. I see it right there. We're gonna have probably our water heater in here. Yep. It looks newer. And then the dining room, I think with just some different furniture, could spruce it up. Slider off to that ramp area that we saw right at the very beginning. Floors are all in really good shape. It's interesting they got a plug in the floor for the fridge. Kitchen, you know, pretty basic, pretty clean. No frills or anything, but you know, little oopsies right here. Something happened. Cabinets might need a little bit of paint. Cast iron, dual sink. The world's first microwave. This thing is gigantic. Panasonic. Probably just do a very small kitchen remodel in here. I do like this thing too. The fact that it kind of comes down, goes under, and it's a nice cutting board area. Cabinets are in decent shape. We do have kind of like the older lighting. Check out the windows here. So like half the windows, some of the windows are dual panes. These are single pane. I'm gonna point out if I see any other dual panes. And what we'll do is we'll go outside at the end via a back door. All right. So here is probably more of the primary bedroom, just a little bit larger than the other one. We do have like a Berber carpet, kind of like a greens, reds, whites, blacks. Looks pretty clean, very forgiving as far as if something were to spill. I think you aren't going to be able to really tell too much. Updated fans. I love the ceilings. Like this room is like really nice and cozy feeling. I do see single pane windows here as well, so I do think just that one is the only one that's been done. Owner closet for short-term rental, closet for the guest. That is cool. That is like the original flooring. Can you imagine if that was all throughout the house? Really, really fun. Kind of looks like a little bear or a tree of some sort. All right, so coming into the bathroom, number 2, vinyl flooring. A shower, similar insert as the other one, just because I remember these little shelves right here. And the lines give you some privacy. A little shelf in here to store things. Paint could use a little bit of love. I do have a fan. And this is a single pane window here. This might be my favorite piece to date though. Look at this color. It's like a baby blue, a white, and gold sparkles. How adorable. Probably update that, keep that, and I actually dig that too. Just cute, basic, it's everything you need. A little space heater built into the wall. And we do, if I look up, have access to the attic. Storage in here. Same flooring as in that other closet. And then bedroom number 2. This one we have no closet. So somebody could do like a stand-up closet, right? Oh wait, I thought this was going outside at first, but it is a closet. I lied. Sorry. It almost looks like a carpet, but it's like a tile. Like, it's only this thick too, like that wide. It's kind of interesting, like sheets of it. So would easily make a good long-term, short-term, secondary home for sure. I'm just gonna go back through this direction just to kind of poke our head out the back door. And I say that it is good for long-term because it does have laundry. So here we are in the back. Property line. Pretty private down here. You could probably put another wood fence up in this direction just to get a little bit more privacy. But it's all in great shape. Shed, but it's locked. Be a good area for tools and garden stuff. And there's the fireplace. So there you have it, 1005 Nana in Big Bear City. Let me know what you think. Bye.